Just come. Turn this side, opposite side. Just. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Your sound should be up to Amol. Shanti Sindhi tak jana chahiye. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your good name?
My name is Shraddha, Varhadi.
Very good. Where you are residing?
I stay in sector 14 in Vashi.
Very good. Which society?
I stay in MG complex.
Okay, Raheja Yum
Raheja
Complex. Okay. What is the highest experience of the today driving? What is the day of class?
It is my first day.
First day.
Yeah,
What is your education qualification?
I have done my MSc Computer Science.
Very good, excellent. Today, are you ready to explain the route? Can I explain route? As you wish.
Yeah, you can explain the
Okay, start from your Raheja MGM complex, sector 14 Vashi, towards sector 17, towards Palm Beach, in orbit, Sanpada Mora signal, Nerol signal, Akshara signal, NNMC head office, and after that you take a left turn from the NNMC towards JNPT Uranpata highway, then towards Uranpata. After Uranpata, then we take a left side towards Mumbai Pune Express highway, towards D.Y. Patil College, LP flyover, Nerol flyover, Juvi Nagar flyover, Juvi Nagar, Sanpada flyover. Now we are on Mumbai Pune Express highway before Vashi Plaza flyover. Is it correct?
Yes.
What is the speed used up
We
to
go 60, up to 60.
60? What is the gear used?
Gear, fourth gear.
Did you expected today you may draw up to 4th gear up to 60 speed on first day itself?
No.
How is Master Swami surprise class?
Yeah, sorry?
How is Master Swami surprise class?
Yeah, it was very nice.
How is Master Swami training system?
Very nice.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Who recommended to join in bus driving school?
My husband recommended me.
And friends,
Yeah.
what is the name? Shanti Sindhi.
Shanti. Haan.
Sindhi. She is also my student. MGM complex. Okay. In all manner, ending words. How is Master Swami training system bus driving classes?
Very nice.
You come with the permanent license. How you get the license? From where you get the license? Where you trained?
I got trained from Mumbai driving school, but it was 8 years back I had done it.
Yes.
But I did not do the driving in between.
Yes.
So I just joined your
Yes.
class.
As per recommendation of smart Mr. Amol, Shanti Sindhi, are you happy?
Yes.
Wish you best of luck. God bless you. Happy journey. From here to we are taking left turn to in orbit towards Palm Beach City Bank, towards Modern College, then Satra Plaza, Ankarwala School, then your residence. This is our rest of journey. Now you say, are you ready?
Sorry?
Ready to go back?
Yes.
Yes. Wish you best of luck. God bless you. Happy journey. Today you got 5 stars from Master Swami. Proper observation, proper learning. First day class successfully finished.